Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So it's New Year, New You, and that applies to the Dollhouse too. So I am making resolutions, and on top of most people's lists is to get fitter and to lose a bit of weight. So I've decided to do a renovation today in the Dollhouse. I'm going to turn my office into a home gym. As always, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Drop me a like and please leave me a comment. I do love hearing from you. The first thing I thought I'd do is put my vellum quotes to good use, and there's some really good ones which I thought would make some inspirational posters for the walls. So I got Think Positive, Be Positive, just glued it onto a piece of card and then trimmed it. And then I did the same with Don't Give Up, and then obviously I thought I'd have a cheeky little one as well, Calories Don't Count on the Weekend, because sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty. So here's the office ready to become a gym. I've put the pictures up, so I've got my Don't Give Up there. I've got here, it's a piece of gold card out of a Christmas present, I think some lip glosses or something, and I thought that's going to make a perfect mirror. And then I've got my Think Positive, Be Positive and Calories Don't Count on the Weekend on this wall. So everything's been cleared out of the office. I have kept the winter post picture and the clock because obviously those can still stay, but all the other furniture has come out. Okay, so a piece of furniture that I'm going to put back in is my bookcase. It's usually under the window with all the file folders in and books in, and I'm going to use that to put all my gym equipment on. I'm going to put some towels on, then I'm going to put some kettlebells on, and obviously they are just Christmas bells, but I think they actually do look like kettlebells, so I've got to put the 3 different sizes on the top shelf. And then I need some dumbbells, so I just got a bamboo stick and some buttons. Just cut the sticks to the same size, and then just filed them a little bit so they weren't too sharp. And then using some white tack, I just attached the buttons onto it, and I think they look really cool. And then I've just put a few buttons loose because they're the extra weights that could go onto the ends if I need a bit more weight. And then on top, obviously I need some refreshment, so I'm putting a bottle of lemon squash and a bottle of water, so because you need to keep hydrated when you're doing your exercise. And I thought also a little skipping rope, really simple to make. Just got some of my buffalo check twine and cut a piece, and then I've got some double-sided black paper and wrapped it around to make the handles, and I think that looks really cute. Very fashionable, but also a useful fitness tool. And then I just got a big button and a little sticker that I'd got with I'm going to reach my target, and I thought that could be a little piece of wall art, but then I actually think I might just lean it against the wall rather than stick it up onto the wall. So there's my case in the corner there, looking great. But I decided I wanted a clothes basket to put my towels in and my sweaty gym gear when I finished all the exercising. So I got this wax melt pot, a little IKEA plant pot, which I actually used one of these for my toilet. But I thought this would make a great washing basket. And I got some wool and Pritt stick, and then just glued the top of the lid and wrapped the wall around it, put a big button on top, and then using a bit more white tack, I put another one of those bells in the top of the button, so I think that looks like a handle on the lid, and then put it on top, and I've got myself a really cool laundry basket. So I'm going to create a yoga area. There's my yoga mat. That's just a piece of rectangular felt. I think that works really well. And then here are my yoga blocks. They're just 2 erasers, which I think look great. So there's my yoga station. And I think this is a genius idea. It's a bauble I just took off the tree. And if I just put it over there without the back showing, it looks like one of those exercise balls. I think that looks great. Then I decided to use this Tic Tac container and some more the sticky back black plastic. Covered that and then put some washi tape around the outside to make a nice edging, and I've got myself a nice step so I can do some step aerobics. I think I'm going to put that under the mirror, and then I can do my step aerobics there and my yoga behind. And then I thought I need a stereo, because obviously you need some cool tunes to work out to, or some relaxing music to do the yoga to. So I thought I'll make a little chest of drawers. So I put two paperclip boxes together, covered with some of my creative papers, and put some sequins on for the handles. And that's going to be my unit. And then my radio was just black tape wrapped around a piece of foam, and then accessorised it up with the station and the sequins for buttons. And then I've just added a little plant on there, and I've put that against the wall. And so in the drawers can go all my exercise clothes and workout gear. And then on top I've got the stereo. And then the final piece of equipment I need is a jogging machine. So again, employing that foam, it's done me a lot of good, the foam that I got with my dehumidifier. So I'm going to put it together like this, and I'm going to again cover it with the black sticky backed plastic, I think. And it's going to be a running machine. So I just peel the paper off, cover it. So I covered all the sections and then glued the top on, made sure it was all attached. Then I needed a running track, so I just used some silver washi tape. And then I needed to put a panel on the front, so I put stickers and sequins. And then I thought, well, I need a handrail to hold on to. So I thought those drawing pins were a fantastic idea for that. And then I just put a little inspirational quote there, let's do this. And I think that's just turned out fantastic. I've got like a superhero program on the television screen there, and then lots of buttons to press for settings, off and on, and making the speed. And as I say, the washi tape makes a good running track there. So you can watch the TV whilst you're exercising, or you can look at your Don't Give Up poster, keep it inspirational. And I just think it works all really well. I'm really impressed with it. As always, I like to just use whatever I have lying around, but I do look on pictures for inspiration. So I looked at home gyms, at the kind of things that were in them, and then I just think to myself, how can I make that with the stuff that I've got? And I just root around looking for little boxes and cartons and things that I've got and bits of material, and it just all came together brilliantly. So I'm really pleased with myself. I hope you enjoyed watching my office to gym makeover, and that you found some inspiration for your own makes for your doll houses. Obviously, like with all January resolutions, it might not last. The exercise regime may get discarded as the year goes on. So I'm sure at some point I will turn it back into an office. I might have a little layout change. Or what I'm loving with my dollhouse is, the thing is, I could just create a new room, and go with some other kind of possible room that you could have. So that's why I do enjoy this dollhouse renovation, because so far I've renovated every single room, moved them all around, and I'm not done, because I can definitely do more renovations, do more makeovers. So I'm really excited to keep going with these this year, and I hope that you stick with me. Please like and subscribe, drop me a comment, and just thanks for watching. So until next week, take care. Bye bye.